Roughly 30,000 teachers and staff in Los Angeles still on strike. It all started Monday. The group demanding better pay, smaller class sizes, and more counselors and nurses in over 1,000 schools. On Tuesday, more than 12,000 parents and supporters came out to stand with the educators. So are there legal ramifications for situations like this? It is time for Law Vegas now with Eric Palacios of Eric Palacios and Associates. Thank you for joining us. I appreciate it. So can anyone strike if we don't like our work environment?
It depends.
Okay.
It depends on where you work and what type of job you do. If you have an employment contract, that contract sometimes will state specifically if you're allowed to strike. Certain states do not allow policemen, sanitation workers, teachers, or even emergency medical providers to strike. They can protest in different ways, but they have to show up to work because of the importance of that job.
Gotcha. And it seems to be always unions behind a strike. Is that a coincidence?
Well, it's easier in mass. If you have a gripe by yourself, you're not going to stand outside and picket. You're not going to get too far. But if there's hundreds or thousands of you with the same job, then it's easier to strike, and that way get better working conditions.
So what's happening in LA, could that happen here in Las Vegas or Nevada in general?
Fortunately, no. Since the 1960s, in the teachers' employment contracts, they do not have the right to strike. They can voice their concerns and opinions as long as it doesn't interfere with their work hours, so they are able to do that in negotiations for better working conditions. Okay,
so what about parents? If you have a complaint about your kid's school or their teacher, what can you do?
That's the important thing here. Obviously, in LA, the teachers and parents aren't happy with the current conditions, which can happen anywhere. If that happens here, the suggestion is first try to resolve it at the lowest level possible. If you have a problem with another kid, a teacher, talk to them. If that doesn't resolve it, talk to the principal. If that doesn't resolve the problem, then you can always reach out to the superintendent's office and lodge a complaint.
All right, and I know there's more information at DOE, Department of Education.nv.org. And of course, if you need any legal information, you need to go to Eric Palacios' website, ericpalacioslaw.com. They're located on Eastern Avenue. Give them a call, 702-444-7777. Thank you so much, Eric. I appreciate it.